Kotomairiamun na tukuni tidwele rase Esisiak luoteso jaso universities legelegela ko Kampala o jasa tukorokes ne jena kape teso Students Development Association na rebo tesda Johnson Malinga la repe jonon la ngosbib Kotomairiamun ne dolosho kotomangezet ne sabiti ngesobu ichora Esisiak araule munokina shomani do ituto sibore ene jala kitotor teso alosti Kampala anuadu muna shoman abongore Ainakina dukun teso Malinga ngesa bale bidwele pulwe lo sete Kampala kesa tapite murokin iborene yang arti kesi Kampala.
I rate ngaluche kwapo. Agirita ngarai no nibon. We don't trust in our own. We don't trust our schools. We don't trust our hospitals. We don't trust isobali ona take care. Abongo so race shana izo kotunga. Ekolo so kwa Bethesda we inspired many students to come to the universities. We organized ourselves and talked to students in the schools, in the rural village. That is a lot of inspiration to the children.
James Tukeid lere girigiran lopeti lo kay mor papa iteso Paul Sande molot ngeso buinges de yata kay Ecorakin Esisiak arawle pukorita dama isisha iboro legelegela mere ajaut keda chowane dumneta tukotobon obala bon be aparashanu adumna so mame koto jeo jatar keda chowana tukotobon.
So young people, as you go to school, think about not just the job, but think about how you can make the best use of yourself. How can I be innovative? How can I improve on myself? How can I help my way? So with that, we might help ourselves.
Konyiche kote mweshisha ngesepoti ke utuwa nguriana keso balas bonbe ditagangat kaneja situngala polok anoinoi lisomaite Kampala rasi teso. Ojune lerai ngarnon ko Makerere University ngese bala bonbe ejasa tokishone jata Esisiak anoino ni kamera kedeta chelo isirigin luwa Asioman.
Yeah, by the time you sit exams, end of semester, you must have cleared 100%. So really, and all these unfair university policies come back to our challenge. We really, I've been a student in Makerere University. You find someone last started in class in 2019. It's just been a degree of 3 years, but it's a dropout. Trying to ask around to stay in Kampala, maybe to get something to raise tuition, but whenever they fail, a dead year. Whenever they fail, a dead year. Whenever they fail, what is the solution, please, as we are doing? Are we really going to sit on it? Really, me, my brother, Dr. Green, an education fund, and I'm praying for the next one.
Nera tupito ne chairperson tesda ko Kampala International University ngesa bala bonbe ngarno kichie ngese tapite akwa makiti dwelo tesa isumunete jasi Kampala ide dola lo stadumu na ganga erailwere monora wai.
And Ejisekelo, yakakelo hinesekelo ne. And it is from our leaders. Ejisekelo ne. When you get anime, teso, chian. But they are our leaders. So me, kindly requesting the high table that please kindly help us.
Kanuka TV East, Noah Omuya, ko Kampala.